Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? Please enjoy the video, and if afterwards you have learnt something, well, that's my satisfaction complete. Regards, Madmick. The Zontes 703F and 703RR has adjustable suspension for damping and preload, which can be adjusted to your riding style and rider weight. This video, in English subtitles, shows the procedure on the Zontes 703F, yet the procedure is the same for the 703RR. If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Madmick. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, Madmick.